We are pleased to show you the 2024 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.